been watching extremely frugal cooking for families, and they always serve things that are way more expensive, and it's always beans. So I'm going to show you how you can have actual protein in your dinners for less money than what these people are talking about. If you Google YouTube and say, you know, eating on $1 a day per meal or whatever, you'll find what I'm talking about. The ones that have like millions of views. All right, so today I'm going to tell you some secrets, especially around the holidays. I'm talking about Thanksgiving and Christmas, and right after Thanksgiving, a lot of times turkeys and hams go on sale. Yes, okay, this is 2024, and we found at Walmart turkeys for 88 cents a pound, and also we found ham for 88 cents a pound as well. This is Cook's ham. This whole heavy thing, 13 pounds, was only $6, okay? So, anywho, what I'm saying is that at Thanksgiving and Christmas time, when turkeys or hams go on sale, okay, pick up an extra one. Now, I was talking to a friend, and they were saying, oh, how can I use up all that turkey or whatever? No, what you're going to do is you're going to cook it when nobody's home. You're going to cook the whole turkey, and you're not going to eat any of it. You're just going to debone the whole thing, and then you're going to make recipes out of it, all right? Now, during Thanksgiving and Christmas, if you serve a big, a big turkey or a big ham, people eat a whole bunch of meat, which is great. But you're talking about frugal living, and so what you want to do is debone it, the extra one I'm talking about. So I'm going to show you how much turkey comes off a turkey. In other words, how many cups of turkey come off that turkey, and also I'm going to show you what you can do to cook a ham, cut off pieces of ham, and have it be fabulous for freezing it for future meals for your family. Here's the turkey that we bought on sale. After Thanksgiving, it was 88 cents a pound. So it's only $15 for this turkey. Here is the cooked turkey. We will see how many cups of turkey come off this. I have deboned the turkey, and it is this much, and I will measure it to see how much turkey we got off a 17-pound turkey. I just strained the broth, and so here you have turkey soup. You can add anything you want to it. I'm going to measure out 1 cup of turkey. It does not have to be exact, per Ziploc bag, and you can freeze them just like this. If you want, you can flatten it and stack them, and then you can make barbecue sandwiches and all kinds of things. If a recipe requires 3 cups of chicken, you can use turkey instead of chicken. So we have 15 cups of turkey. We have not eaten any of it. So this is a 17-pound turkey. This is how much turkey it yields for recipes. Now, if you take a look over here, this is 3 cups of chicken or turkey. Okay, it's actually chicken. But if you freeze it in containers like this that are reusable, then it costs you nothing. So The cost of the bags is one thing that you consider. If you have a whole bunch of bags that you already have and you own, it's fun and easy to have it in 1 cup measures like this, but a lot of recipes require 3 or 4 cups of chicken, and so you can freeze it in a container, either a glass container or a plastic container. This we got for free with sandwich ham or whatever in it from the store. You can keep containers like this and then use them for freezing turkey or chicken pieces like this. Now I'm going to show you how to do the same thing with ham, and you can cut ham slices that are thicker. You can also cube ham and zip it in Ziploc bags, however you want to do it. Take a look. So we are carving the ham, and you can freeze it in 1 cup portions, or you can freeze it in a portion that you would serve your family in one sitting, and you can put it in Ziploc bags and put it in the freezer. So this ham we also got for 88 cents a pound after Thanksgiving, and so that is a cheap source of protein. You can put the drippings onto the ham, make it taste real good. As you can see, this yields a lot of protein for a very small price. So you can make any kind of recipes with this, save tons of money, and you can spend even less than a lot of these other YouTube channels do on their food for each week. I'm Susan Evans from susanevans.org. Thanks for watching.